In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Health Pays rewards card at Walmart. If you want to use your rewards card smoothly at checkout, the first thing to do is make sure the card is activated before you shop. Follow the instructions that came with the card, and if your card requires a PIN, set that up as well. This is important because if the card is not activated, or if you do not know your PIN, the transaction may not go through when you try to pay. Before heading to Walmart, take a moment to check your available rewards balance. You want to make sure you have enough funds loaded onto the card to cover what you plan to buy, or at least part of it. Doing this ahead of time can help you avoid any surprises at the register and make the checkout process much faster. Once you get to Walmart, shop for the items you need, but keep in mind that eligible purchases can depend on your specific health plan. In many cases, the card can be used for a variety of everyday items at participating Walmart stores. However, some products are typically excluded, including things like alcohol, tobacco, firearms, and ammunition. So as you shop, it is a good idea to be mindful of what your plan may allow. After you have everything you want, head to checkout. You can usually go through a staffed checkout lane or use self-checkout if your plan supports it. If you are unsure, a staffed lane can sometimes make the process a little easier, especially if this is your first time using the card. When it is time to pay, swipe or insert your My Health Pays rewards card. If the payment screen asks you to choose a payment type, select debit. Then enter your 4-digit PIN and wait for the payment to process. Make sure to give the system a moment to complete the transaction, since some cards may take a few seconds to verify. If your purchase total is higher than the rewards balance available on your card, do not worry. You can simply pay the remaining amount with another accepted payment method. That makes it easy to still complete your purchase even if the card does not cover the full total. Finally, keep your receipt after the transaction is complete. Your receipt is useful for confirming that the payment went through and for helping you keep track of your remaining rewards balance. That is how to use your My Health Pays rewards card at Walmart in a simple and straightforward way.